Hi, it's Dr. Oliver. So the question is about the myth of chiropractic treatment being somehow dangerous, no matter what the treatment is, whether it's the neck, the lower back, that it's dangerous to your health. That is false. As long as you're being treated and assessed by a qualified health professional, certified with the DHA, you're in no danger whatsoever. There is very, very, very little danger whatsoever. It might look scary, but one of the main things that I personally believe in is communication between myself and the patient. So anything that I was going to do, I would explain it thoroughly to you beforehand, so it wouldn't be any kind of big surprise or anything.